Hi, in this video we'll be talking about infinite loops. It may happen that the condition in the while statement is always true. Then the loop never stops. We call such loops infinite loops. Sometimes such loops are useful, for example in client-server programming, but oftentimes they are a result of our mistake. If we happen to be trapped in such a loop, we can use the keyboard interruption combination like Ctrl+C, for example, to get out of it. Here's an example of such an infinite loop. Number equals 1. While number equals 1, x equals input enter a number. Print x. Now, as number is equal to 1 all the time, its value isn't changed inside the loop. The condition is always true, and the loop is infinite. If we now run this program, we'll get something like this. Enter number 5, enter number 6, and the number is then printed out as we want it here, print x. Number 1, number 10, number 4, and so on. It will not end because this loop is infinite. Now let's try to break it using Ctrl+C. This way we can just break out of the loop. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.